In this video, we're going to see how these 10 nations mentioned in the covenant made with Avram in Genesis 15, the covenant between the pieces, or the covenant of the parts, we'll see how these 10 nations are representative of the 10 sephirot, or emanations on the tree of life, according to the seer of Lublin. Yaakov Yitzhak of Lublin places the 10 nations in this covenant with Avram on the tree of life. So on that day the Eternal made a covenant with Avram, saying, "Unto your descendants have I given this land, from the river of Egypt, the river Shechor, to the great river, the Euphrates River." And then it goes on to list these 10 nations. Now, I've done a ton of videos on especially the Kenites here, but also the Kenizzites and Kadmonites, and these three are all related. And for instance, Jethro was a Kenite, and I could go on and on. A Kenizzite would be Yabetz, and we know that Yabetz and the Kenites are related in 1 Chronicles 2:55. And then the Kadmonites, which reminds one of Adam Kadmon. So if these 10 nations represent the 10 sephirot on the tree of life, then as we learned earlier, the top 3 sephirot or emanations represent the brain. So when you study the Kenites, the Kenizzites, and the Kadmonites, you're really studying not only the highest level of these nations, because these ones attach themselves to Israel, and in fact, many of the patriarchs took Kenite women as wives. So not only are you studying the very best of the nations in the Hebrew Bible, you're also studying essentially the brain of Adam. And for more on these guys, check out the channel, especially anything on Jethro.